Welcome to
Coding with Kids.
My name is Kalia.
And my name is Andrew.
Today we're in Minecraft Education Edition and the auto code Escape Estate. So we went through the portal and now let's go.
So it's like a gardening room with lots of plants.
Okay, so let's search room for particles. Right click particles. Okay, button.
The block disappeared. Now there's a fountain. The fountain seems kind of broken because there's broken blocks and it's leaking water.
Okay.
There's also lots of blocks missing.
I think the water isn't I think the water is supposed to go here. Okay, so let's
explore them. And there's here, maybe this is for planting mushrooms.
I think it's water supposed to go for, I don't know. Okay.
So there's blocks for planting mushrooms.
Ooh, mushroom.
So now let's proceed to code.
To see what we have to fix. Okay.
We need more water and it looks like those cracked blocks are leaking. Use the move cursor function to position the cursor over a cracked block and then break block to break it and let the water flow into the canal.
Okay, so the cursor we have is right there with the orange, blue, magenta, and yellow. Okay, so let's go. So we have to go break these blocks, the ones that are broken with dripping water.
Water should be leaking out of them. So
yes.
They should be broken.
So the water would go through.
Okay.
Okay, so let's go.
Now let's run this example.
So this is an example. It won't work. Okay, let's see. Get the first one.
The water's flowing out and then again. But it doesn't, we don't do break block.
Okay. So this is the same.
You can also do for I in range to do the command multiple times.
It's the same command, like it's the same thing except it's just in a repeat loop. Okay, let's see here. So let's see what this does first. Okay, go down and then, okay. So we do not need to break that block.
So this code actually works. So I think we need to go yellow 2 more times.
Yeah, and it will have to be before they break block. Okay, so go. We're just gonna make a loop here, so it's gonna be easier.
So we're gonna do for I in range
4 times.
4 times, and then remember to add the tab. Only tab the move cursor.
So it can only that command will be
now
in
let's run it. See what it does.
Okay, break the first one. Break the second
one.
Okay.
So now we need to go to the bottom.
So we go 2 times magenta and then 1 time blue and then break block. Okay, so 2 times magenta.
So move cursor.
You spelled it wrong. Oopsies.
Move cursor. Move cursor.
Magenta.
2 times. So we can reach it. So then we have to move cursor.
Blue. And then break block.
Okay, and then break block. Break block. Okay, now let's run it and then we should break up 3 out of 4 blocks. So now we have one more last one, so I think we should go blue.
1 blue and then 2 times blue and 2 times magenta. Okay, so let's go back to code.
So we basically will reverse the last one. So move cursor, blue. 2 times?
Yeah.
Okay. And then
2 times magenta.
move cursor,
Magenta.
2 times.
Okay. And then last but not least, break block.
So now it should work.
First one. Second one.
Also redstone lamps to tell us how many rows were done.
Ooh.
Columns were done.
Okay.
little salt. So now
Whoa.
it's filled with water, and it's going down. We're in the water.
But the water is going into there. The
Into
holes.
Into the void. So I think we need to repair the holes.
Okay, let's see.
Oh no! Holes in the canal stop the water from flowing into the garden. Fill those holes to help the water along. Use the move cursor function to position the cursor over a hole and then place blocks to fill it in.
Okay, so let's see
now
this
we
code.
do basically repair.
Okay, so this is code example. First, gold blocks. Okay, so it did the first two. And then 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, let's see. Oopsies. Okay, so
We
this
can
is.
also do loops.
And then now over here. So let's see what this does first. Okay, first one, second one. Okay, one. Okay, so this is good.
So we need to go orange and then place block.
Okay, let's see.
Move cursor.
Orange.
Orange. And then
Place
do
block.
Place block.
Okay.
Then we should be
Oh,
done with 2.
okay. Okay.
So now,
Oh, wait, go back to code. Oh, you forgot to add it.
okay, now we run it again.
Okay, this should work. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, so now we still have 2 more holes. I
So
think
blue,
we should go
blue,
2 times.
and then orange place block, and then orange place block. Okay. Move cursor,
Cursor.
blue, 2 times.
2 times. And then
Orange place block, and orange place block.
place block.
And then the same thing.
And then we can repeat it.
Oh, yeah. Okay,
For I in range
2
2
times.
times. Okay. And we can go here and add tabs to both move cursor and place block. Okay, now run it and it should work.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So now I fixed it. So now the water should flow all the way.
Ooh.
So now the gold blocks disappear. And it's going from the mushrooms. So now the
Ooh.
mushrooms are growing.
The mushrooms we can
There's a small mushroom, big mushroom,
medium
and
mushroom, and big. Oh, we're supposed to go on to.
parkour.
Wait. Oh,
Wait.
oopsies.
So now let's do parkour again.
Okay.
I'm gonna show you parkour. Dash, okay, here, over here, and then the big mushroom, and parkour all the way here. So now
Wow.
there's more flowers, and we can water them.
Okay, let's see. Back. See to see what we have to
So
do.
again, we have the cursor, and we have these
Flowers.
concrete blocks in front of us.
Okay. So let's see.
There's some pattern with these flowers. Figure out the pattern and plant the flowers on the empty dirt using the move cursor to position the cursor and the plant flowers to plant the flower.
So there's a pattern. Let's see. Oh, the
Blue, red,
red,
and
yellow.
yellow flowers.
So I think the first row, the one with the blue flower, is all supposed to be blue, and then
the
yellow, and then the red.
and red.
Yeah, over there is blue. Yeah. So let's do that.
Are you sure only the dark gray, the dark brown, or only the brown?
I think all of them.
Okay.
Okay, let's go. Code example. So the code
Keeps
example.
planting blue.
Okay.
First row, and then goes to the second row, but plants a
Red one.
a rose, but we should plant the yellow dandelion.
Okay, let's go back to coding, and then this
We
is
can also do
blue.
repeat, and it would be way better.
Okay, so let's go back here and
Let's
see.
run it. So I
Okay.
think it's just the code eraser.
No, it's not. It's showing us that actually that row is blue, this row is yellow, and this row is red. So it's actually not. Okay. Here. That should be good. And then we have to repeat this how many times? Let's see.
Range.
So that will be, wait, plant file 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times.
5 times. Okay. Also remember to add the tab. Okay. Now let's run it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
Okay, so now we need to move down magenta
Okay.
and yellow.
Okay. Let's go. Move cursor.
Move cursor.
Magenta.
Magenta. And then we need to go for eye in range.
5 times.
We need to do plant, flower, yellow.
Yellow.
And then we will have to do move cursor. Color.
I think it's orange.
Orange.
Let's see. Check. No, it's blue. Oopsies.
Now we should be done with the first 2 rows.
Okay. There. Okay.
So now we need to move
Magenta and then red row. Yeah, oopsies. Okay, let's go back here. Then move cursor magenta.
And then we need to do
4 eye range 5 times.
Let's do
Plant flower.
Flower.
Red.
And then we have to do move cursor
Yellow.
yellow.
Okay, let's
Let's run it.
see.
We
1.
should be done gardening.
Wait, oh. Each
So
time
now
we.
the concrete blocks are also changing along with our flowers.
Okay, let's see. Red. Looks so cool.
So
Okay.
now we're done. Puzzle solved.
Solved.
Enter the next room. Where's the portal? Let's see.
Ooh.
The portal's over here.
So let's see this again. Like, this is really cool.
In my personal opinion, I think there should be more torches near the mushrooms because it's very dark over there.
Well, it's really only lanterns here. Because, like, this garden.
There's also some secret lighting somewhere over here.
Yeah.
I don't think lanterns have that much light.
Yeah.
No.
Okay.
The portal. Should we go through?
No,
Okay.
next video. Well, that was fun, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe. Bye bye.